Times Square after they picked up over 19 inches of snow at the park. Nick Kosir is out there. It's almost like your second home out there, Nick, especially when the weather is terrible.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, Bob, you're right. 19.7 inches of snow recorded just a few blocks that way, actually. At 1 o'clock, that was the official report from Central Park, making it a top 10 snowfall of all time. I believe that places it at 9th highest total for now. And as you can see, the snow is still coming down. It's not coming down with the ferocity that it once was, and I think it's going to continue to let up here as we go through the rest of this afternoon and into this evening. But as you can see, Times Square doesn't usually look like this. I mean, you don't normally see an 8-foot snowman here in the middle of Times Square, in the middle of the universe, and everybody has been out taking pictures, getting video, goofing around, just honestly acting like kids out in the snow. I was walking around Times Square late last night and early this morning, and everybody's been throwing snowballs and making snowmen. This snow is way different than the snowstorm and the snow that actually fell from the sky, about 3-4 weeks ago now in January. That snow did not pack. It was way too dry. This snow is extremely packable. We're going to be seeing snowmen all over the whole area, I believe, that got hit with the nor'easter. And unlike that snowstorm in January, I want to show you that we don't have any ice to worry about, at least as of right now. This is kind of a heavy, wet snow. Temperatures have been a little more mild. Bob, somebody drew this little heart here on this barricade, and I want to dedicate that to you, my friend, because I heart
Thank you.
Bob Van Dillen. And so I also want to show you kind of the slushy mess that we're dealing with this time around. Now, last time it was all the crazy ice and that snow that was so high and just didn't melt. And you can see the slush right here. And I think this could possibly refreeze overnight, but it's a nightmare to walk through, especially if you don't have big, nice boots. And yeah, this stuff here is going to be, I think, maybe a concern moving forward until we see those warmer, milder temperatures here later on in the week. But we're right along Broadway, and for the second night in a row, Broadway has gone dark. You remember last night they had the matinee shows that ran at 3 o'clock, but at 6 o'clock everything shut down, and guess what? It's all dark yet again for today. A lot of shows typically don't run on Monday, but the ones that do called it, and that's sort of an unprecedented move. We haven't seen anything like that since, you guessed it, the blizzard of 2016. Something about these decades with a 6 at the end of them here that lead to these big giant blizzards, I guess. But yeah, I see a snowball fight happening over there in Times Square, a few more snowmen down the road. I'm actually impressed, Bob, at yeah, hi guys, how you enjoying the snow?
Very, very good. In French.
Oh yeah, oui, oui, bonjour. So I'm actually impressed at how the travel ban has worked so well. I don't really see a whole lot of people on the roads whatsoever. You know, this is Times Square, it's the afternoon time. Typically you'd see all kinds of traffic. People would be honking like crazy, and that is definitely not the case. So I'm proud of New Yorkers this time around. It looks like everybody's kind of heeding the warning, staying at home, hunkering down, maybe having their snowball fights in their backyard or in the front yard and making their snowmen as well. So what an event, Bob. And I'll tell you what, it's been a long, long time since I've seen anything quite like this. Excuse me, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been a long time since I've seen a snow like this. Actually, I was talking to somebody and they said earlier, this winter reminds them of winters in the 90s, back when they were kids, you know? So I think the snow, especially this packable wet snow, brings the kid out of everybody.
Yeah, it does. Nick, you look good out there. I'm trying to decide, do you look like Luke Skywalker on the planet Hoth, or do you look like Yukon Cornelius? One of the two. I think you look more like Luke Skywalker on Hoth in Empire Strikes Back. What do you think?
I'll take it, you know? I've been called much worse. I've been compared to much worse. So either or is good in my book.
Yeah, so what is it? Do you think they smell bad on the outside? And go right into the monster. Anyway, Nick, great report out there in Central Park. I can't believe it's actually moving like it is after all that snow coming down. And we're still getting it, by the way. Nick, we'll talk to you again in a bit.